You are welcome to this YouTube channel where you learn how to use R programming language for data science project. My name is Daniel James. Today I am going to discuss a very important aspect of R, which is data importation. But this time around in a very non-traditional way. How to copy data from Excel into R and how to copy data from R into Excel using copy and paste method just on Windows PC. We just use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to do the two operations, and that is all. This video will show you a very quick way to get data from Excel into R and from R into Excel file, not necessarily importing or exporting it. I mean a much less traditional process to get data into R from Excel or out of R to Excel. I will demonstrate how to do these two things: tabular data set in Excel and on websites only on Windows. Watch out for my next video on how to do same for Mac operating system. If you like this video, subscribe to this channel and ring the notification bell to be notified of subsequent video on this YouTube channel. A lot of times we are given a data set in Excel format and we want to run a quick analysis using R functionality to look at advanced statistics or to make a better visualization, which R is good at. Or in a reverse form, we have made a very quick analysis on a data set and want to paste its results in tabular form into an existing Excel file already containing some table as well. There are R packages for importing data from Excel into R and exporting data from R into Excel, but they may not be necessary for a quick and temporal exercise like I have talked about. So for a one-time analysis, one is expected to save the Excel file as a CSV and import it into R, or write such as a CSV to a new Excel file only for me to delete such file soon. No, it is not necessary. This can be a little burdensome if you are trying to do something quick and create a file that needs to be cleaned up later. An easier option is to copy and paste the data directly into R or copy from R to a desired destination in an already existing Excel file. This can be done by using clipboard as the file name and specifying that it is a tab delimited, since that is how Excel clipboard store data on Windows. If you like video like this, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the notification bell. Let's say I have a data open in another application like Excel or in a website. If I copy that data to my Windows clipboard, how can I read it into R as a data frame? Back to R Studio. How to copy data from Excel file and paste it into R. We head to the Excel file we want to copy. We highlight the portion we want to make copy of. Right click and copy. Then head back to R Studio. Then we write the following. We write read table, garnish it with its parameter. We say file equal to clipboard, separated by tab, header equal to true, or we write it as read delim, file is still equal to clipboard, separation equal to tab, and header equal to true. Then we run it. You can see it is being pasted to our console. You can see first column city, second column gender, and so on. We do the same thing for this time around. We'll just copy part of an Excel sheet to test how dynamic it is. We highlight it and copy, head back to our studio. Run it on read the lim. You can see the exact part of the Excel file we copied is being pasted into R. I see it. Just the 2 colon and 11 observation. So we can simply write a function of this and keep it for our future use. Okay, so we want to do something very temporal. So we just head into the function, we run it instead of writing it all over and all over again. We call it read Excel. So we are going to test this one on a website table. Get to Wikipedia page, highlight it, then copy it. Right click and copy, or we just make it Ctrl P. Head back to our R Studio, run that our function read underscore Excel. Then we see what, okay, you can see the exact table we copied is being pasted into R. Very simple. You can see what we copied. The first column is first name, second column is last name. You can see exactly on R Studio console. See it. So we are going to write this time around how to copy from R file and paste into Excel file. This time around we are going to write. So what we want to do is we want to make a simulation and form a data file of 3 columns and 30 observation. Each column will contain, the first column will contain a normal data from normal distribution. The second column will contain a data from a binomial distribution, and the third one will contain a data from a uniform distribution. Call it DF, to shortcut data frame. We attach our seed for reproducible sake, then we run it. Let's see what our data frame is. Oh, we use small letter. And we run it. You can see in our console we have our 3 columns with 30 observation. We want to paste this one into a portion of Excel where something is already sitting on it, the data is already sitting on part of the Excel. We want to paste it in the other side, which is not ordinarily possible in R. By writing traditionally, it will either overwrite or will not write at all. So I want to paste it from column E, just to paste. Right click and paste, and you can see our 3 column is set at the right place we set it to be. Very easy. Very easy. We head back to our RStudio. And write the function of it and keep it for our future use. If you have watched this video to this extent, I will make a file link of this workflow available for you to inherit this function and use it whenever you want. Just check the description below. You will see the link to the workflow of this video. If you like much more of this video, please subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you.